Hello everyone, today I have an egg and cheese sandwich recipe for you. Let's get started. First, place the pan on the stove. Use medium heat. Add in about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Once the pan is hot, crack in 1 egg, and fry it until cooked, or undercooked, depending on your preference. Sprinkle the eggs with a pinch of salt and a pinch of ground pepper. Scoop the cooked eggs and place them on a plate. And set it aside. Add about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Place in 3 slices of sausages. And fry them until hot. Prepare 2 slices of bread. You can use any kind of bread. Whatever you have on hand. And you like it. Spread 1 tablespoon ketchup on 1 slice of bread. Spread 1 tablespoon mayonnaise on 1 slice of bread. Place fried eggs, cheese, and sausages on 1 slice of bread. Sprinkle with a little Italian spices. Place the remaining bread on top of the sandwich. Mayonnaise side down. Slice the sandwich into triangles or squares as needed. Now the egg and cheese sandwich is done. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Wish you all have a beautiful day. Thank you very much.